Hello friends, I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to open Command Prompt, a powerful tool in Windows that allows you to perform various tasks using commands. To open Command Prompt, there are a few methods you can use. Method 1. The easiest way is to simply search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open. Now we will close this and then we will proceed to method 2. Method 1. The easiest way is to simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open. We will then now proceed to method 2. Method 2. You can also use the Run dialog box. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Then type CMD and hit Enter. This will then launch your command prompt. Method 3. If you prefer using File Explorer, search in the search bar File Explorer, navigate to the Windows System32 folder, and find cmd.exe. Double-click on it and command prompt will open. Now that you have command prompt open, you can start using it to execute various commands and perform tasks on your Windows computer. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to open command prompt. See you on my next video where I'll bring you more exciting tech tips and tricks. Happy computing!